Subtraction quiz for kids. What is 9 minus 4? Five. What is 7 minus 2? Five. What is 8 minus 5? Three. What is 6 minus 3? Three. What is 5 minus 1? Four. What is 4 minus 2? Two. What is 9 minus 6? Three. What is 7 minus 5? Two. What is 8 minus 3? Five. What is 6 minus 2? Four. What is 3 minus 1? Two. What is 5 minus 3? Two. What is 4 minus 1? Three. What is 7 minus 4? Three. What is 9 minus 2? Seven. What is 6 minus 4? Two. What is 8 minus 7? One. What is 5 minus 2? Three. What is 7 minus 6? One. What is 8 minus 4? Four. Keep challenging yourself with more math problems, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you in the next one.